Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reset all camera settings inside the Blackmagic Camera app. This is useful if you changed a lot of options, experimented with manual controls, or simply want to return everything to the default look and performance. Let's begin. First, open the Blackmagic Camera app on your phone. On the main screen, you will see all the professional controls, such as ISO, shutter, white balance, audio levels, frame rate, and more. To reset these settings, tap the gear icon in bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu. Scroll through the list until you reach the section called Reset. Here you will find the option labeled Reset Blackmagic Camera Settings. Tap on it. To reset just camera settings, choose the first option, Reset Camera Settings. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to restore all settings to their default values. Choose Reset button to confirm. The app will immediately reset all camera controls, including exposure settings, frame rate, codecs, color adjustments, audio levels, and interface preferences. No footage will be deleted. Only the camera configuration will return to factory defaults. Once the reset is complete, you can continue recording with a clean setup. This is especially helpful if you want to fix unexpected behavior or if you want to start a new project with standard settings. That is all you need to do. You now know how to reset all camera settings inside the Blackmagic Camera app quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Blackmagic camera guides and mobile filmmaking tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.